Botanical Bazaar is a gardening and sustainability festival, and it really is a festival, and it's on for the whole weekend, and it's fabulous for all ages. We've got 3 speaking stages with well-known ABC presenters on our main stage, and lots of horticultural talks, sustainability talks, and things for the kids, learning about how to look after the oceans and look after our climate. So at Botanical Bazaar, we also have over 100 exhibitors and over 20 food trucks. So there's something here for everybody. And for those garden lovers, lots of nurseries, of course. And for those art lovers, there's lots of great art pieces and lots of things that are very relevant for today and lots of fun things.
The funds from this are all going back into the community, anything we raise, and it'll help the needy on the Gold Coast and internationally for some of our Rotary projects. And the other interesting bit is we're plastic free. We minimise the amount of waste. So we've got a special waste management team educating people on what can be compostable, what can be recyclable. And we're trying to emulate what we did in 2019 of only about 7% of the waste from the event going into landfill.
Oh, we've had a lovely day. Yeah, it's beautiful. So much to see. We've got family all over the place actually at different events.
I've really enjoyed it. There's been some amazing creative things that people are just incredible with how they come up with. Parking was easy, everything was easy.
Beautiful sunshine, lots to see, lots to do.
We've had nice coffee and some food, and we've just about got one of everything that they've got to offer us here. It's been a great day.
Oh, it's been a beautiful day.
Yeah, absolutely loved it. The music and the decorations and all the stalls are, amazing.
Just a general vibe. Everybody's just friendly and happy. Great family day out. It's just been lovely.
Lovely atmosphere.